Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. In the last video, I given one promise to all the students. What is that? If our video got 1000+ comments within the limited time of 3 days, hardly that is 2.5 days only. Yes, within that time, we got 1000+ comments from the students. So that's why now I am going to release the version 5 books, CMA final direct taxation, which are applicable for June as well as December 2026 examinations. And remember, these are the books I'm releasing without any restrictions on our website. That means you can download this and you can go for printout also. And if you want to purchase alone hard copies, that means nothing but concept book, workbook, and handwritten, you can purchase. These are all the 3 books are in multicolor format only. And next, sir, what is the reason behind releasing the version 5 books on website at a free of cost? The reason already I sold version 1 to version 4 books. The many students are purchased these books. Now, yes, in version 5 we have an amendments related to Finance Act 2025. Yes, some amendments are there. So that's why they can easily correlate the what are the amendments made in this, and they can utilize this book at a free of cost. And next, so now I am releasing the 2 books only on website. One is a concept book, another one workbook. Sir, then what about handwritten notes, sir? No problem. I will release the handwritten notes also within next 5 to 6 days. Don't worry. Handwritten and MCQs notes also I will release on the website. Now, so this is a version 5 concept book. Just I will give you within 2 minutes overall review of this book. Yes. Just I will take the one sample chapter. Okay. First chapter only I will take. Okay. First chapter. In that, whatever the side headings are there, I am presenting these side headings in the dark red color. Yes. The side headings are presented in a dark red color. Subside headings are there. Yes. That subside headings, whatever is there, I am presenting in the dark green color. Okay, for your easy classification purposes. The next, the very important thing, that amendments are given in pink color. Okay, whenever you are seeing the pink color in our material, that all are what are amendments only. So can you tell me, for present examination, Finance Act 2025 is applicable. Next, yes, if you observe that previous year for our examination, assessment year for our examination. Next, if you observe that 115 BAC rates got amended, and 115 BAC rates amended. Next, domestic company tax rate is same only, but reference year changed. That is 23-24. Previously 22-23. Next, if you observe the rebate concept also amended under new tax regime, that is under 115 BAC. These are all the things I presented in a dark pink color. So nothing but in our book, pink color means nothing but amendments. Next. This is only the concept book. You can check every page. You can check the random pages also in assessment procedure under 143 subsection 1. There is an amendment. And yes, everything. Sir, starting chapters only you presented in a best manner. Yeah, the last chapters, including tax audit chapter, all the chapters are carefully drafted. Yes, carefully drafted. That means all chapters are included in this. All chapters are included in this. Next, sir. How to find out the amendments at one place, sir? For your examination, whatever the amendments are there, I given at the starting of this book itself. So in TDS TCS chapter, these TDS sections are amended. Yes. Next, if you observe the penalties, these penalties provisions got amended. Next, if you observe in every chapter, whatever that amendments are there, I given at a list. And so some other amendments we are unable to classify into any chapter. At the end, I given the 5 or 6 amendments. That means other amendments. In intermediate level house property, chapter related, specified employees, salaries related, medical facilities related. Next, this is a nothing but what virtual digital asset disclosure related. All the things got amended. I given 6 or I think 8 amendments, other amendments which are not covered in chapters at the end of the book. This is related to concept book. Now coming to workbook. Yes, workbook also color, not dual color, multicolor. Okay. Now, sir, here I given the reference at the end of the every question. If I am given the SM, this taken from the ICMI study material. Workbook means ICMI workbook, old syllabus, new syllabus. PAQ means past examination. If I am mentioning it as an ICA, that questions are taken from ICA source. Whenever it is required, I taken the questions from the CA materials also. Now, coming to the first chapter, this is an ICA. Yes, it is my own example, which are copied by others also. Yes, next ICI. Yes, these are the ICI. Yes, these are the ICI. And the last, this is a past examination question. So like this, sir, how many questions you given in your workbook? I promised to give the 400 questions compilation. Sorry, just 396 only I compiled. 4 questions are nothing but yes, missed, no problem. These questions are enough. Sir, how many questions I given in transfer pricing chapter? 51. Because transfer pricing chapter weightage is 25 to 30 marks. That's why I compiled 51 questions. Next, assessment of various entities and the PCBP alone, I compiled nearly 70 questions. Yes, if you observe, the section seizure also important, 21 questions. Business restructuring, 24 questions. Next, tax planning, 14 marks chapter in every attempt, 31 questions. Charitable trust, 2A, important. Yes, yes, how many marks? 7 marks, 2A question, 22 questions I compiled. That means whatever the questions are given in this workbook, this is enough to score even exemption also. Yes, these are all the 2 books are available in our website. How to download it, I will tell you. Simple. If you log into our website, yes, you can type in our type in your Google is just shikharatutorials. You can log into our website and click on the free resources. Click on the just free resources. If you click on the free resources, yes, you can click on the CMA final direct tax. If you click on the direct tax, yes, these 2 books are already uploaded. You can download it and you can go for print and you can start your preparation. All the best. Thank you.